landing shall be 48 inches by 48 inches minimum, shall be provided at the top of curb ramps. The landing shall be permitted to overlap pedestrian routes and clear spaces. Where the landing is constrained at the back of the sidewalk, the landing shall be 48 inches minimum by 60 inches minimum, and it should have a slope of 2% in all directions. What does all that mean? Come up the ramp. Now I have my 48 by 48 landing here, and it's not constrained. I can keep on going straight. I can keep on going this way. I'm not restricted here. I'm coming up my ramp. I'm constrained. I have to go either left or right. I can't keep going straight. My 48 by 48 has expanded to 48 by 60. I don't have flares, and here I can't keep going straight without running into a building. So now that landing has to be 60 inches wide, and it has to be flat, 2%.
And again, this is only on new construction.
Correct. If you're building it, this is what you need to do.